difference is I run businesses. If I ain't employ you, then what your business is? I have staff roll up like what the business is.
Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. I feel like it's been a long time since I picked up the camera and talked to y'all, because if y'all watched my last video, then y'all know I'm currently in a boot. So I have just been relaxing, not getting out of bed. I've literally been in the bed for just 2 weeks straight. But now I'm back. I was supposed to record me getting my hair done. I didn't, and I'm glad that I didn't, because I will not be back. But we can get into my hair. So this is how it looks. I'll probably put in a full video of how it looks, but I still don't really know if it looks good on me or not. I don't know. Like, people are like, oh yeah, like it fits your face, it looks good. I don't know. This is something different for me. Never had this hairstyle before. Never been to this person who did my hair before. And I'm not going back. Let's go ahead and get into this maintenance. If you guys do not know, I'm a licensed esthetician. So for a majority of my maintenance, except for hair, because I do not know how to do hair at all, I do at home. So it's just perfect. Even though I am, you know, like still in a boot, I'm still able to do my maintenance at home. So we're gonna go ahead and get into this waxing, get into this facial, and I'm gonna even do my nails and toes too, because why not? But y'all stay tuned for the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's jump into the video.
Baby, baby, I know. Baby, I love you so. But you don't feel like I do. Tell me, what can I do? But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong. I thought we were really down. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Ooh, make up your mind. I'm not gonna be here for long. You know you want my loving, baby. You got me twisted. Girl, you got me twisted over you. I got what you need right here, baby. Baby, baby, in time. Baby, I know you're fine. That what you needed was here. Think about it, my dear. But I gotta be strong, girl. You did me wrong. I thought we were down. Now you say you want me, girl. Ooh, make up your mind.
Now we're gonna jump into the facial portion of this video. So I have dry skin. So the products that I put up on the screen, those are what I use for my skin. You could try them. If you do have some of these or you don't, go ahead and, you know, try to include them into your facial routine. But I'm not even gonna ramble. Let's go ahead and get into this facial.
Better tonight. Better keep a watch, 'cause the mailman's coming. Oh, yes, he is. Mama always told me to be careful who I love. And Daddy always told me make sure he's right. I always had my eyes on this one particular guy. I was too shy, so I decided to write. I'm sending him a 4-page letter, and I enclosed it with the kiss. And when I write him, he better get it on time. I'm sending him
The next station is Shibuya.
Look at me, where she wanna be. Call me Ricky T. Off the leash, I feel like a dog. I can have the free. Keep it P. Never needed you, but you needed me. I got cream, make up pretty clean. Boost your self-esteem. I get tired in the morning, so I feel like baby king. First is black, step off setting, so I just like baby B. Put your coat, pussy up, so now you know it's giving cream. I got hoes, when there's not enough, come build a nigga team.
I need chips. I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that out right there. On my head, this nigga sip. Cause shawty got my shows, got me pissed off all that. Or I give that bitch a list. On my house, give a fuck up my business. On my sis, you can't be touched that. I make that nigga itch. I know that I'm rich, but that's my budget, bitch. Brother to me, something to my bitch, she gon' switch.
Push your T, push your boundary. Need a brand new weed. Kill my dog, pussy nigga, please. I go Keanu Reeves. He don't go, but you telling me just let a nigga see. Honestly, I'm not feeling you and you not feeling me. Keep it G, welcome back to A, just let that nigga be. TLC, no I'm finna creep my phone on D&D. That's my song, but that is the beat. I'm right at the sleep. You ain't P, but you know you beat to me. He beat his meat.
I need chips. I tell that nigga, he like a baby, carry that out right there. On my head, this nigga sip. Cause shawty got my shows.
So I know y'all see that I got a different hairstyle in, right? I can explain, but I'm over it. Just know, got a new hairstyle. Found somebody at the last minute too. Thank you God for her. Thank you God. Like when I say last minute, I'm talking like 24, 48 hours last minute. My girl was on it. That's what I like. I like a go-getter. I like somebody who likes to make money. Not other people who want to be playing, okay? But let's go ahead and get into this hair appointment.
Damn, DJ Suave, relax.
Gorilla. It's 7 p.m. Friday. It's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitch, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that bleak. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitch, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I'm right here with me. Off a fifth of hand, getting fucked up with my twin. Got a backwood full of top, and a bankroll full of beans. All that Twitter typing, bitches see me and ain't do nothing. Watch out with some biker shorts, I'm showing off my moose nut. I'm feeling good today, I'm outside with your bait. Got a brown skin nigga with dreads, and a black ass nigga with waves. He gon' drop that net, he love the way I sit. Fake nails, bitches pressed, so hot, damn it red. I keep pussy fresh, keep the shirt on wet. Who want smoke, say what? Oh, get that off your chest. Turned up with my niggas, turned up with my bitch, turned up in my shows, yeah, cause I got that bleak. 60,000 fans can't see me do my dance. Got 1,000,001 haters, and they y'all can kiss my ass. It's 7 p.m. Friday, it's 95 degrees. I ain't got no nigga, and no nigga ain't got me. I'm about to show my ass. These niggas love free. How the fuck is that your man? If he right here with me, Friday night, hot as hell, and you know the hoes out. Manny Petty, fresh set, and I got my toes out. I'm rocking off-white on an off night. These bitches with me pretty, and they y'all can fight. Yeah, fuck you mean? 40 inches, 613.
You guys, this is the end of my maintenance hectic vlog. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.